there it is. Yay! We're gonna open it. So this has been a long time coming. I'm gonna make a video that I'll put in a link in the end screen or in the description about the process to get one. And some, whoa, be careful, and some things that can disqualify you. On the bottom it looks like. Yep, cut that one. Yep. So, you know, they changed them. They used to have a frame with like an actual silver play button inside. But be careful, don't push forward.
I'm trying to cut it.
There you go. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
So much things.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. Holy cow. That is so cool. Okay, so we get this letter, and it was expected by Rick, which I've seen videos of what's inside, and Rick inspected their package also. Wow. So cool. 100,000 subscribers. Unbelievable. Let's see. That's cool.
What is this?
That's cool. Just to keep it fresh. What do you think?
Nice.
Nice. So there it is. We got it finally. It took about a week and a half once I finally got approval. I'll explain the process in another video.